Most developers write 20 lines to flatten nested lists. This one-liner does it in seconds using recursion and comprehensions. No libraries, no extra imports. Defines a recursive function named flatten that takes a single parameter LST to process nested list structures. Returns a new flat list by iterating over each item in LST, and if an item is itself a list, recursively applies flatten to it, then iterates through that result. Otherwise wraps the non-list item in a single item list for iteration. This constructs the flattened output via nested iteration within the comprehension. Assigns to the identifier nested a list literal containing integers and sublists at varying depths to serve as an example input for testing the flatten function. Calls the previously defined flatten function with nested as its argument and prints the resulting flat list to standard output. One recursive comprehension replaces dozens of lines and scales to any nesting depth. Subscribe for daily coding videos.